Hello my loves, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. My name is Lilian Tahmasian. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I've never ever done before because I've been scared. I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite YouTubers' looks. It's going to be James Charles, his beautiful eccentric look that I believe he recreated from one of his followers during a face chart contest. I've never done anything crazy like this, especially following someone as talented as James Charles when it comes to makeup. So I am ready. Bring it. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thumbs up this video and let me know your thoughts and comments below. I would love to know what you think of this entire look, and don't judge because you guys, I've never done anything like this, so please just be easy on me. Okay, let's get into it. Enjoy. Bye. I just put my hair back. I believe he wants to use a yellow shade, so I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be picking a yellow shade. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay.
Yeah, just going to pop that right here in the inner corner. I'm not really sure the order in which I'm going to kind of do this look today. I think we're just going to really throw on some colors and hope and pray that it looks good. And that's kind of what I do in all my makeup tutorials, and it usually works out kind of. So that's what we're doing. Great. It's kind of cool because in Rico's drawing here, all the colors are placed really close together, but are still very blended out, which is extremely hard to do, so props to him. I'm going to take a kind of bright, peachy, reddy orange shade with an M506 and place that right in the crease region.
Getting a red shade now. This is going really fast. Okay, got it.
Kind of happens like here-ish, so I think I'm just going to pack a little bit more on. Ew, that looks not good. Oh my god, it's so hard to blend yellow. And a dark red shade. And use this to really cut out where I'm going to place that crease, which is going to be right...
This is too much. Okay. Oh, I found a nice red shade. Wait, what am I doing? I'm so confused.
Here.
This is so
Hopefully.
fast. What? Okay.
That looks so busted. Oh my god. It's just gonna work. It's gonna work for right now. Okay,
wait,
great.
what?
Next I'm gonna take a purple shade on an M514 once again, and I'm gonna place that next door to that like burgundy area, kind of right up in here.
A purple.
Oh, that's pretty. Tea. And then before I actually go in and blend that further, I'm going to grab that dark red shade once again and use that to kind of easily transition the purple into...
I look like a clown.
And really cuts out the crease a bit. And then we have some blue that is there too. I'm gonna have that same purple on.
You guys, what is going on? Wait, this is so fast. Wait, did you just get a lip brush? I'm gonna get a lip brush. What just happened in like 5 seconds? Why am I dragging this purple? I don't get it. What?
Where I want the colors to go, or at least like where I think they're gonna go. There's lots of purple going on up here, so I'm just gonna like put that there.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna worry about that later. But I'm gonna blend these two together so it doesn't look like gross and splotchy.
Oh my god, he legit got a massive...
Now I'm gonna grab a
Wait, what? Okay.
blue shade. And
No, this is going so fast. What is going on? I look like a... Okay. This is way too fast. I did not sign up for this to be this fast. My god. We're going. I don't have as much space on my skin the way he does. I'm so confused. This is a fail. What is going on with my life? Like, what am I doing with my entire life?
5 hours later.
Can you not move your skin? Like, can you just... 1 second, James Charles. 1 second. I need to know what I'm doing here. Why does my face look dirty and you have more forehead skin? Like, what do I do? We're gonna make this work. It's look dirty. What is going on?
I really want this blue shade to be kind of white pigmented, so I'm going to grab that and place that right there.
What are we grabbing, James?
Oh, my blue is...
So he got like a massive chunk of that blue. I found a blue similar to it, and we are gonna do what? What are we doing? I don't know.
Okay, then I'm just gonna grab like a lighter blue and place that right over that to blend that out, and I'm going to be putting a blue highlight in the Oh my god, this looks disgusting on camera. What's happening?
Ew.
I'm just gonna be honest, right on my brow bone to hopefully fix some of this horrible blending that I have going on. I don't know.
Ew, what am I doing?
Okay.
I can't even blend this rubbish.
Absolutely the absolute worst. But you know what? Maybe when we cut it, it'll look a little bit.
Lord Jesus, what is happening? Okay, wait, let me go back. Whoa, wait 1 second. Should be fine. I'm using my Shape Tape in light neutral. Do we do the whole thing? What is happening?
Subscribers for a long time, you would know that this is actually not the way that I used to do cut creases. I used to draw out the bottom line first and then blend the shadows upward.
What is Lilian doing with her life? What? Oh, this looks so bad. It could be worse. I did this in 5 seconds, you guys. Like, I look like such a botched loser. God, Jesus Christ.
You're so dumb.
Not happening. Whatever.
Now that we have the crease all cut, we have the lid to do.
Oh.
I'm honestly having a little bit of trouble telling what's on the lid. It looks like there's kind of like a purple moment with a like sparkly moment in the middle, which I'm definitely down for. So I think I'm just gonna kind of line this with purple.
So I'm gonna apparently line. Do I go? Okay, we leave a tiny bit between the white and the purple, and I'm going in. I'm worried about myself. I'm worried about my future. This is a cry for help. Okay. Could be worse. I am using shadow instead of liner because I can't go to the other room because I'm lazy. So he did purple and then he did blue. James, why you gotta do me like this? That was my favorite part.
Whatever. I'm gonna place some reflex teal from MAC right on the center of that lid to really make that blue pop just a little bit and create the effect of the halo eye.
Okay, I'm gonna grab my Inglot, your pigment, and I'm gonna put this in the middle area. What? Oh, I look like a loser.
Right next door to this purple.
I just can't even do it anymore.
Blend those two together.
Why does that get more hard?
Right. Great. Looks
Okay, wrong brush.
I'm gonna take the M521, it's kind of like a bigger packing brush, and I'm gonna place this like orange shade again and blend this purple region together.
Sorry you guys, my camera battery died, so I had to recharge that. I went ahead and I added my blush, my contouring, as well as a tiny little bit of highlight. Now I'm gonna go back to the tutorial. Okay.
That is literally my favorite thing in tutorials right now. And I'm gonna at least complete that cheek crease. I'm just gonna grab my favorite blush, MAC Peaches, which is like this little orangey moment. I just need kind of really intense packer brush. Now I'm going to, for once, really pack on that peach blush right below. Highlight moment to really.
Okay, we are not doing the other eye, 100%, but I am going to do the pink on my nose because I do want to fit in a tiny bit. No.
This facial has a lot of like rainbow colored freckles all over, which is kind of.
I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara because he just went and did that off camera. And he got his white liner and we're going to apply dots everywhere. I'm not doing my left side. This is ugly as it is. I can't make my entire face ugly at this point. I can't. So, oh god.
I'm gonna put some on the center of the eyelid. Oh god, please don't get on the lashes. No, okay.
Do we do this area? So James went ahead and applied lip gloss or liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Ofra in Santa Ana and then the Anastasia in Barbie Pink. So no, stop. I have all these liquid lipsticks and I've never even opened them in my life. Why do I keep them? Looks like I have pimples everywhere. Why? I tried my best, you guys. Actually, maybe I didn't. I don't know if I did. I'm going to go ahead and apply this beautiful shade by the Desi and Katie collab with duos called A More Story. and then he just spritzed himself. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Lisa Wattier Magnifique. Lord, please make me look pretty.
Sister Miko, all complete. Oh my god, you guys.
Literally took me 4 hours. And no, what is going on with this white liner? I would give myself a very, very generous 1 out of 10. And that's me being generous. But I tried. Did I? I don't know if I did. But I think I tried. I don't know. Who knows? James is very, very talented. And so is the person that did his face shot. Macleodro. I think that's the Instagram name. Thank you for inspiring us to step out of our comfort zone. But yeah, I don't... yeah, it was an attempt. I'm not saying it was a good attempt. It was a somewhat of an attempt, period. So thank you, James, for the video. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I mean, I had fun. Let's be real, getting out of my comfort zone. I would never do this normally. So thank you. If you guys like this video, it was something different, and why not? I love you guys so much. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and leave your thoughts and comments below. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Let me know. Is it James? Comment below. I love you guys so much. As always, don't forget to keep on smiling, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well so I can stalk you all right here. I love you. Bye!